Hi, this is Rose from Tranquility Fountain Farm in Sebezan in the Mediterranean, in the foothills of the Pyrenees. We are a small farm that is 3.8 hectares, and we have horses and we grow medicinal herbs native to the Mediterranean. So today I wanted to talk to you about the supplement that we make for our horses, to supplement their horse feed. We don't really have a problem in winter because our winters are quite temperate and we actually have quite a little bit of rain, and we have nice grass and nice pastures in the winter. But we have very hot summers, and so it's kind of the opposite from other countries where it's frozen outside in the winter. We need more help in the summer, like in the blazing hot summer, which is maybe 2-3 months when horses need to have their food supplemented. So what we make is a holistic herbal supplement to go with their horse feed, their hay, etc. So this supplement contains many lovely tasty, lovely smelly, lovely medicinal herbs. And we also put a probiotic supplement, which is the kombucha scoby, which is here. I'll show you. This is one of our scobies that we are putting in the dehydrator. This is what you make kombucha with. The kombucha is a drink made with black tea, and this is a sort of a platform. We can call it a platform. It's a scoby where yeasts and probiotic bacteria thrive, and they transform the black tea into a very healthy drink called kombucha. But we use the actual mother, or the scoby. We dehydrate it and we powder it and we add it to our feed. We dehydrate at a very low temperature. So if we see here, we put it at 35 degrees. I can't actually show you with the door open. This is fennel and chives and some thyme, etc. This is wild fennel and from the Mediterranean, which is very tasty and good for digestion and digestive tract. So we dehydrate at 35, and it's very slow, and it keeps all the nutrition and the benefits instead of dehydrating it at a higher temperature. So this mixture, this herbal supplement, contains nettles for iron and potassium. It contains plantain, both wide leaf and the long thin leaf. It contains mushrooms such as turkey tail mushrooms. As you can see, this is turkey tail. It grows on wood, and it is extremely nutritious. I'm going to put the benefits, because the list is very long. I'm going to put the benefits down at the bottom. And this is Reishi mushroom. Again, extremely nutritious, great for the immune system boosters. This is rosemary and thyme. Rosemary and thyme, just very good antiseptic, calming, and just great for boosting the immune system, and a digestive aid as well. In here we have last year's chestnuts. Now, when I say chestnuts, I want to make it very clear that this is not horse chestnut. This is the sweet chestnut, the kind of chestnuts that we would roast at Christmas time. Horses love to eat them. They're sweet and delicious, especially after being roasted. And then I add, basically this is the fennel, the thyme, the plantain, the nettles, willow bark, many other things. So yeah, that's just to give you an idea of how we make it, and what goes into our horse feed supplements. So you would receive 1 kilo, and the dosage is written on the packet, and so you can either make a tea with this by mixing hot water, letting it cool, making it into a tea or like a porridge, and then mixing that into your horse feed, or just take some of the powder and mix it in. They'll love that too. As a treat, a good treat as well. Not only the horse chestnuts, not only the chestnuts, the sweet chestnuts, is something that the horses love to eat, but also this contains horse parsley, or Alexander, which horses love to eat. It really stimulates their digestion and stimulates their hunger, so they love to eat it. So even fussy eaters will love this mixture. It does contain thyme, small doses of thyme, and small doses of Angelica leaf. So which is very good, and I'll list the benefits below. But this does mean that mares that are fowling, that have pregnant mares, should be not given to them, because it can stimulate the uterus. There you go. So if you have any questions, let me know. I can quickly answer them. So like if you like, and sort of you can follow me if you wish, because I put up lots of information about the herbs and sort of how to identify them and how to use them. So if you go out and collect them yourself in the wild, then I can help you identify and know their benefits. We do have a little Etsy shop, and this supplement is sold on our Etsy shop. I'll put the link down below, and yeah, there you go. So thank you very much, and goodbye, and take care, from Sabazan in the Mediterranean, the foothills of the Pyrenees. Bye.